Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove duplicate value in Excel and keep one. Let's get started. Now you want to remove the duplicate value. At first select your column. Now I am select the column, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the data menu, select the remove duplicate option and check the second option, click remove duplicate. Then again click OK. We can see here one duplicate values found and remove this. Now I am click OK. Now we can see we remove the duplicate value in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.